A warm welcome to you to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we will try to understand one important, close to heart, close to self concept, that is being more authentic. Now, what is being authentic? Being authentic is being our true self, expressing our true self, speaking out our mind, not being fake, not wearing a mask, a facade, being true to ourselves, being true to others. And as human beings, it is not always possible for most of us to be authentic. But if we are authentic, that makes us, really stay at peace. Forget about all other things, but we can be at peace with ourselves. We can have a calming effect in our brain, in our mind. We can have that, light feeling that we are true to ourselves and to others. Now, how can we be authentic? Being authentic is not just important professionally, it is important for us as a person. Okay, so wherever you are, however you are, whatever role you are playing in your life, professional, personal, whatever role, you try to be true to yourself and to others. Try to be authentic. And how can you do that? So these are a few points which can throw light on understanding how to be authentic and real. Okay? Strive to be yourself as opposed to being popular. Most of the people, most of the times we like to be popular, we like to be surrounded by people. And in the process, what we end up doing is wearing a facade or a mask. We forget who truly we are. So don't do that. Being popular is not your ultimate goal, but being yourself is what you really have to do, because you cannot always be people pleaser. You cannot always win hearts. You cannot always play the role of a hero in everybody's life. Come out of that mindset. Try to be yourself. You feel more authentic. Aim to know how you feel inside. This is again one common mistake we all commit. A mistake, I think, is a very small word, because what we feel inside and what we speak outside, they are complete contrasting elements. Unfortunately, this happens to most of the people most of the times. But if you really focus on your inner voice, inside of you, what you are truly thinking, what you are truly feeling, and if you are able to project it outside also, then you feel empowered and authentic. Okay? Next, notice the need to do what others expect you to do. This is again another thing. We always try to conform to the standards, to the expectations, or to the words of others. What others say or what others expect, what they think. It is always about others. It is always about them. Understand what is the need behind that. Why do you have to do that? Before you conform to the standards or conform to the expectations of others, try to question yourself why you are doing that. What is the need for you to do that? You will find answers yourself. You will start being your true self. Okay? Don't automatically do what others tell you or expect you to do. Naturally, again, we all have that submissive mentality. Automatically we get submitted, or we get, we submit ourselves to others, and we bow our heads or bow our minds to others. No need of doing that all the time. Do not, live your life by others' expectations or others' wants. Okay, that makes you, down and down inside. That makes you more, going inside the depths of darkness. Okay, you are not, forget about being authentic. You are being, pulled down the spiral into the deeps, into the depths of darkness. Do not let that horrible things happen to you, because unless you let that happen, nobody else can make you do whatever they want you to do. Okay, so be authentic, be yourself. Don't allow yourself to be influenced by the opinions of others. This is again, we always keep thinking what other people think, what their opinion is, what their expectation is. And we get very easily influenced by the opinions of others. If you want to do something, if you want to start something and somebody comes and tells you it's not going to work out, you immediately forget all the hard work that you have put in and you stop doing whatever you feel like doing. So others' opinion or others' judgments or deciding what you are, very foolish. Don't let that happen. Okay, stand by what you believe in. Stand by your own set of beliefs, your own set of values. Live by yourself, your values, your standards, your thoughts, your judgments. That makes you authentic. And being authentic again does not always ensure success. They are different things. Okay, being successful and being authentic are not one and the same. But being authentic makes you successful inside, makes you peaceful within yourself. Okay, so this is how you can be authentic.